Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share screen in Google Meet in laptop and PC. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is start a meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and do a new meeting right here, start an instant meeting, and voila, I have started a meeting right now. So yeah, once I've done that one, in order for me to share my screen, I can head over and click this one right here, and then I can either choose a Chrome tab, a Windows, or the entire screen. So if I want to say, for example, do a presentation, I'd only want to share that particular thing. So if, say, for example, this is my presentation, I can go ahead and click the share button right here. And basically, this is how it is going to look. Show my screen. There you go. So yeah, if, say, for example, I want to open right here, and I'm just going to allow this one. All right, you can see that is how it is going to look. So I can go ahead and resize this just for us to see it. And then I can open YouTube, say, for example. There you go. So this is how my screen is going to look like. So yeah, again, everybody, that is how you're going to share screen here in Google Meet.